This is daily time frame of Bitcoin. It first bent up, came down, bent up, making double top. Now it is coming down, and ordinary people are buying Bitcoin since top, and they are in so much lost that some of them have lost their home. They are now in poverty. And if we do elliott wave counting, and if this is a giant flat correction, then target for wave C compared to A and B is 61% projection, that is 10,274. So price has not hit that level. And if we focus only this last wave and say it small corrective wave A, then corrective wave B, and small corrective wave C, then 100% projection for wave C is 12,184. So price is still above this level. So technically it has not hit the key projection level. So technically we cannot say that Bitcoin is near bottom or bottom has been confirmed, because if new low comes it drops again. If new big company collapse, because it is same like 2007 financial crisis when banks were collapsing, and if a big company collapse few weeks later, then it can drops again. So if this happen, new low comes, then these two level will be your target, because next are negative. Either price reverse from these two level or Bitcoin goes to zero. So you may see big rejection on these two level. So this year was bad for Bitcoin. It came down, but what next year? Because it was coming down on Fed QT monetary policy, and its trend has been changed. Soon it will be over, because right now there was monetary policy trend in which rate hike size was increasing. First was 25, then it became 50, then 75 basis point. A new trend has been started, pause, where Fed will stop hiking interest rate, because now there is a speculation in financial market that Fed will decrease rate hike size. Instead of 75, Fed will only do 50 basis point rate hike. Then next will be 25. Then after there will be no rate hike. And this speculation has changed trend in Euro USD, GBP USD, and gold is flying. While at the same time, when speculation was started, Bitcoin is collapsing. So this change in monetary policy was bad for Bitcoin, and company are collapsing. So you have to wait for next trend, because Fed stop hiking interest rate immediately next trend rate cut will start. So if you are thinking for buying Bitcoin, then wait until Fed start rate cut, because next year there will be recession. To stop recession, Fed will do rate cut, and recession does not stop by rate cut. Then in the last, Fed will start QE monetary policy, and which is super bullish for Bitcoin. So rate cut can happen after first quarter, which means in second quarter of next year. But for QE you have to wait at least 6 months, because QE will start in the end when everything failed. So technically we have these two level, and price has not hit those level. And we need price back about 21,000 level, then technically we can say investors are buying bitcoin, because by the time Fed start QE monetary policy, it will start flying, because right now on slower rate hike policy everything is going up. Euro USD, GBP USD, gold, even stocks Nasdaq, SP 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average is ready to make double top. So Bitcoin investor, after this big collapse this month since beginning, then you have only two things left: rate cut, then QE monetary policy. Either Bitcoin start bullish trend on rate cut or on QE monetary policy, because these two are your last hope. And main question, when some investors are still saying that Bitcoin will go $1 million, but first we have to see how Bitcoin market react to Fed QE monetary policy. And market is expecting, and we have to wait several months, because right now sentiment on crypto market are extreme bearish. Until it goes back about 21,000, there is no hope for Bitcoin. And these two level from 10,000 to 12,000, your last support level.